Well, hey everybody, this is Paula in Sweet Home, Alabama. Today's the 15th of October, 2017. I got a video here that I took. I took it on October the 11th at 3:04 p.m. This is the original footage here, and it's in real time. So, but anyway, I've done this in several different filters, and I've also, I've got the Soho imagery also from that day that I'm going to show you. But anyway, so let me play this for you, and we'll just go from there, and you can see. I don't have to show it to you. But anyway, because I don't think you can see my cursor. But if you'll look toward the 5 o'clock position, 4 to 5 o'clock position, well, you'll see it. Alrighty, I don't know what it is, folks, but anyway, I should have put it up several days ago, and I just been trying to avoid it. But anyway, here we go. Alright, I'm going to play this for you. Alright, so let's play. And so watch at the 4 to 5 o'clock position in between that area. And also watch at the edge of this cloud here and right in this area. You'll see a reaction from the clouds even below the sun as it does whatever it's doing. Anywho, okay, on with it. Alright. Okay, well let's see what's up. Okay, so as you see it approaching, that big wad of clouds down there, just watch. You'll see like 2 little objects there in a row, like at the 5 o'clock position too. And anyway, I'm gonna shut up. You'll just watch it. All right, y'all. Here it comes. Alright. Alright. Okay, it's gonna start over. Let's see if we can get it started over. Alright. There it went. Did you see that? Okay, if you didn't, you're gonna see it again. Alright, here it comes. Boom. Did you see it? Alright, let me do it one more time and then we'll move on. Well, I don't know, folks, but check it out. This is in real time. And I saw this with my own eyes. Boom. Did you see that? And a reaction going on in the clouds there. Alright, hang on. Alright, here it goes one more time in real time. Boom. Boom. Alright. Alright, so let's stop that one. And we're going to go to this one. Oh, I'm sorry, that was that one. Okay. I don't think this is the slow down one. Let's see. Okay, this one is slowed down. This is the same video. I just slowed it down 8 times. We got something going on at the top of the sun up there to the right. We'll talk about that here in a minute. But watch as it approaches the clouds at 5 o'clock. This is 8 times slowed down. Check it out. No lighting adjustment, nothing. Alright, here it comes. Boom. See that reaction with that cloud? And then right next to it, there's a reaction. Alright, let's go back. I'll watch that again. Well, I'm sorry. Okay, here it comes. Boom, boom, boom. What the heck? Alright, let's watch it one more time. Well, crap. Okay, here we go. That's my killer dog in there barking. Boom, there it is. I don't know, folks. Alright. Alright. Alright, I also got this thing. Okay, this is just the lighting brought down on it. Just the light adjustment, no color, no anything. But, okay, let's watch this one. Alright. Right, 5 o'clock position now. Now this is also slowed down 8 times. But I want you to watch the reaction after that big blast. The reaction in the clouds on the left and then over to the right. Boom. 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 Alright, one more time in this filter. What the heck, folks? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Alright. Now this one here, I thought this one was really cool. It's a haunt. But it's like black and white, or you can call it black and white, or negative. But check this out. Check this out, y'all. In haunt, I think this is my favorite one. 5 o'clock position. Just watch. This is slowed down 8 times. So you could see it really good. Boom. 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 Alright. One more time. Alright. There we go. Boom. What the heck? Alright. Alright, this one's in heat map. Now this was my favorite, really, for sure. Check this out. Check it out. As you see that little object moving on into the sun, just check it out. What the heck is going on around the sun, folks? Boom. 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 Alright, let's do that one more time. Alright, here it comes, y'all. Boom. 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 Alright, we gotta do this one more time, y'all. Check it out. What the heck? Come on now. And notice all this flashing. It's a constant flashing here and here around the halfway around the sun, you just see all this flashing going on, just constant flickering. It's like, I don't know, an energy cloud, I guess. I don't know, folks. But, wow. Okay, it's going to play out again. We're going to let that... Notice all this flashing going on in the clouds below the sun. And it's flashing up around the sun, too. It's kind of energy, I don't know. Check it out. One more time. Big blast from the sun. Boom. Boom. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to take you to Soho. Alright. Now, this is the Soho image from October the 11th, 2017. Notice the timestamp on that. Okay. Anywho. Alright, well, let's play this out. Notice up at the 2 o'clock position of the sun. Boom. Now we're moving along. Right there, folks. Did you see that? Now that was on October the 11th, 2017. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it play, and then I'm going to stop it at 1500 and show you that that's exactly when that blast begins, is at 1500, which would be 3 p.m. or around that time, which is exactly the time that I captured whatever blast came off that sun. Alright, okay, let's start it. Okay, here we go. And notice the timestamp on this. Alright, we're getting close. Now I'm going to stop it at 14. And we're going to step through it from 1400, which would have been 2 o'clock. Boom. Do you see that blasting out of there? Here we go. Boom. 1524. 1536. 1548. So, let me start it over. We'll just play it out. Okay, let's stop it and we'll go back to start. Okay, this is from the beginning. On the 11th, October the 11th, 2017. Notice at 1500, we got a big blast. I don't know. No sunspots because I've been watching. Not, at least not earth facing, so. Boom, there it is. 1500. So that'd be 3 p.m. Just saying. Okay, you guys. Well, I don't know. I do not know. Boom. Here it comes. Okay, y'all. Let me know what you think. I'd like to have some input on this. I don't know. I've been watching the sky for years and watching that sun, but I'm telling you, I've never ever captured nothing like that with a 10-cent camera. And I saw it with my own eyes. So, you know, just saying, you know, people say, oh, these 10-cent cameras don't capture anything. Well, why are we capturing it then, is my question. And boom. I don't know. Who knows? Just saying. Alright, y'all, I'm going to get off here. I got stuff I got to go do. But, this is Paula, Sweet Home Alabama. And, you know, God bless. God bless you. And, if anybody's got any input on why is that flashing like that? I mean, the sun was just flashing nonstop. It's just crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna play that out. And I'm gonna say goodbye to everybody. God bless everybody, and I love everybody, and I hope everybody's having a good night. And there it is. It is what it is, no doubt about it. This is Paula, and I'm out.